What's the meaning of charity shop? Charity shop. Charity shop.
Charity shop. Charity shop. A charity shop is a retail store run by a non-profit organization, such as a charity or a church, that sells donated items at low prices to raise money for their cause. These shops rely on the generosity of individuals who donate goods such as clothing, books, and household items. The items are then sorted, priced, and displayed for shoppers to purchase. By selling these items, the charity shops generate funds for their organization, which can be used to support various charitable activities such as helping the homeless, providing education, and supporting medical research.